Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these Terra chips. These are real vegetable chips. Now this is the plantain version with sea salt. I've never tried this. It is gluten-free, non-GMO. Take a look at this. I've never eaten a plantain. I just always thought they were like just a banana, but yeah, I'm gonna try these chips out. And that's a NutriFound. If you guys want to read it, pause it. What's up? That's what they look like. Has a nice aroma to it. There you go. Check that out. Actually quite good. Tastes like I would almost say like a parsnip in a way, or a taro. Doesn't have much of a flavor. Has a slight salty taste to it from the sea salt, and it's like a starch, almost like a potato. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.